Vilnius Cathedral Bell Tower. The bell tower acquired its current appearance in the beginning of the 19th century. The bell tower is 52 meters tall, 57 meters, including the cross, and is a heritage symbol of Vilnius. The breathtaking panoramic view from the top of the tower includes 3 sculptures decorating the roof of the cathedral, one of which depicts Saint Casimir. From the bell tower, one can look at the Bell Exposition, the old city clock, and explore historical reconstructions of the bell tower and the cathedral.